This dance is called JB Waltz. It's a 24 count for waltz. There's no tag and no restart. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your left foot. Do a forward basic waltz. Forward, step, step, back, step, step. Section 1 again, starting with the left foot. Forward, step, step, back, step, step. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 2, do a twinkle to your right. Cross, side, recover. Cross, side, recover. Section 2 again, do a twinkle to the right. Cross, side, recover. Cross, side, recover. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Section 3, do a quarter to the left. Quarter, step, step, and back, step, step. Section 3 again, do a quarter to the left. Quarter, step, step, back, step, step. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last section, forward, point right to the side, hold 1 count, and back, point left to the side, hold 1 count. So last section again, forward, point right to the side with holding 1 count, back, point left to left with holding 1 count. So the counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you start the dance from wall 2. Let me show you the whole dance. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1,